Hello everyone. Good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and revise a very important chapter of your NCERT exercise which is polynomials, and dear student, in that chapter we already discussed about the types of polynomial. We also discussed about the degree of the polynomial. We discuss about the types of the polynomials, and we discuss about the zeros and roots of the given of a polynomial, and we take and solve some important questions of your NCERT exercise based on that topic. Okay. Now today we are going to discuss two important topic of that chapter. First one is remainder theorem, second one is factor theorem. Dear student, in previous class we little bit discuss about the concept of remainder theorem, and we take and solve some important questions based on them. Today we also take some important questions based on remainder theorem, as well as we discuss about the concept of factor theorem. Dear student, according to remainder theorem, what is the concept of remainder theorem? Let's see once more time. Dear students, according to remainder theorem, according to remainder theorem, if a polynomial p of x is divided, is divided by x minus a, then the remainder will be what? P of f, here we take as p of x, no? Then the remainder will be what? P of a. Yani means we just replace x by a. First of all, we take as x minus a is equal to 0, so the value of x is equal to a. So we just replace x by a, and after solving we finding the value of p of a. This is our required remainder of the given question. If similarly, if any polynomial p of x is divided by x plus a, then the remainder will be p of minus a, because of we just take x plus a is equal to 0, that is we get x is equal to minus a. Okay, dear students, so in this way we find the remainder of any polynomial. Okay, now we divided by some value. Now we take and solve some important question based on that topic. Okay, let's see. Dear friends, let's see some questions. First one, find the remainder when the question is find the remainder when p of x is equal to x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by x minus a. Okay, is divided by x minus a. This is also a very important question of your NCERT exercise. Okay, now let's see its solution. Dear friends, first of all we write the given polynomial. Okay, this is given polynomial. Given polynomial is what? P of x is equal to what? X cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a. Okay, dear friends, this is the given polynomial. Okay, now since this polynomial is divided by what? X minus a, so the remainder will be what? P of a, na? Okay, let's see. Since px is divided by what? Divided by x minus a. Okay, then by remainder theorem, remainder will be what? P of a, because of we just replace x by a, and after solving them we get our remainder. Okay, now let's see here we replace x by a, so we write as a cube minus a into a square plus 6 into a minus a. Okay, now let's see here, a cube minus a cube, a square into a means a cube plus 6a minus a. This is cancelled to each other. 6a minus a, these are the like terms now. These are the what? Like terms. So 6a minus a is what? 5a. This is our required solution of the given question. Okay, this one does their student in this way we can solve that type of question. This is one of the most important questions of your NCERT exercise. Okay, now dear student, we take and solve some more important question of your NCERT exercise based on that topic. Okay, now let's see. Now let's see some important question of your NCERT exercise, dear students. And your question is, if the polynomials, if the polynomials 2x cube plus ax square, 2x cube plus ax square plus 3x minus 5 plus 3x minus 5 and x cube plus x square and x cube plus x square minus 4x plus a leave the same remainder, leave the what difference? Same remainder. Leave the same remainder when divided by x minus 2. When divided by x minus 2, find the value of a. Find the value of a. This is our question, dear students. Dear students, this is very important question of your syllabus. Okay, please concentrate on that question. Now let's see its solution. Let's see. Dear students, first of all, here there are two polynomials are given here. Okay, and both the polynomials when divided by x minus 2, then they leave the same remainder. So in that type of question, first of all we find the remainder in each of the cases. After that, according to statement, we take equal to each other, and after solving them we get our result. Let's see its solution. Dear students, first of all, let the given polynomial first is as px, which is what 2x cube plus ax square plus 3x minus 5, and second one we take as f of x is what? This is x cube plus x square minus 4x plus 8. Dear students, here both the polynomials px as well as f of x is divided by what? X minus 2. Then according to that concept, first of all we find remainder in each case. Let's see. When the polynomial p of x is divided by x minus 2, then the remainder will be what? We just replace x minus 2 equal to 0, so x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. Now, just so the remainder will be what? P of 2. One means we just replace x by 2 in the polynomial p of x. So we get what? 2 into 2 cube plus a into, this is x square, this is 2 square, okay, plus 3 into x is what? 2 minus 5. This is the concept here. Now we solve them. This is 2 into 2 to the 4 to the 8 plus 2 to the 4 into 8. This is 4a. 2 3 is 6 minus 5. That is what? 8 to the 16 plus 4a. This is plus 6 minus 5. That is plus 1. So plus 1. So we get 16 plus 1. That is 17 plus 4a. Thus, dear student, in this way, when the polynomial p of x is divided by the factor x minus 2, in that condition the remainder will be what? 17 plus 4a. Okay, take equation number 1. Similarly, dear friends, when the polynomial f of x is divided by x minus 2, then the remainder will be okay, listen, when the polynomial f of x is divided by what? X minus 2, then the remainder will be what? Let's see, we just replace x by 2, that is f of 2, we just replace x by 2 in the polynomial f of x, so we get what? Let's see, according to that polynomial, that is x cube, that is 2 cube, plus that is 2 square, minus 4 into 2 plus a. Now solving them, 2 to the 4 to the 8, plus 2 to the 4, minus 4 to the 8 plus a. Now let's see, 8 get cancelled to each other, so we get f of 2 means remainder is what? F of 2 is what? 4 plus a. Take equation number 2. Now, dear friends, in this way, first of all, we find the remainder in each case when the two polynomials divided by the same factor x minus 2. In this way, first of all, we find the remainder in each case. Now, what I do? Let's see, according to question, here they have the same remainder. Now, let's see, since according to question, they have the same remainder, they have only the same remainder, that is from equation 1. If they have the same remainder, it means that p of 2 is same as the f of 2. Okay, this is the concept here. Now we put the value of f of 2 and f of p of 2 and f of 2 equal to each other. Thus, by relation equation 1 and 2, p of x is equal to what? 17 plus 4a is same as 4 plus a. Now solving them, let's see. Say 4a transfer a right side to 4, this term minus 17. Thus we get what? 3a is equal to minus 13 here, this is minus 13. Okay, here this is minus 13 is left, so the value of a is what? Minus 13 upon a, sorry, 3, minus 13 upon 3. This is the required solution of the given question, hence the value of a will be what? Minus 13 upon a. So this is one of the most important question of your NCERT exercise. So please, dear friends, do more and more practices of that type question, because of this is one of the most important questions topic of your syllabus. Okay, so in this way, dear friends, we find the value of a. Okay, so this is very important question. So in the according to that question, first of all, we find the remainder in each case. Now according to question, they leave the same remainder, so after that we apply that condition according to question statement, and after solving them we get our result. Okay, so in this way the topic remainder theorem completed. Now we are going to discuss about the concept of factors theorem. Then after we take and solve some important question based on factor theorems in your NCERT exercise. Let's see, dear students. Now we are going to discuss about the factor theorem. Dear friends, according to factor theorem, what is the concept of factor theorem? Let's see. Dear friends, let's see. According to that theorem, according to that theorem. Okay, if x minus a is a factor of any polynomial p of x. Okay, if x minus a is a factor of the polynomial p of x, then p of a must be equal to 0. Okay, students, if according to the remainder theorem, if x minus a is a factor of the any polynomial p of x, it means that p of a must be equal to 0. P of a is what? Remainder, na? Yes. So the remainder will be what? This is the remainder here. Thus, in this way, we can say that according to factor theorem, if any polynomial is divided by x minus a, in this condition, their remainder will be 0. Means p of a must be equal to 0. If the remainder of any polynomial is 0, then in that condition, that is the factor of the given polynomial. Conversely, we can say that if the p of a is equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor of the given polynomial. Okay, vice versa. So in this way, this is the concept of factor theorems. Now we take and solve some important questions based on factor theorem in your NCERT exercise. Let's see, dear students. Okay, now let's see some question based on factor theorem. And your question is, show that show that 2x minus 3 is the factor of 2x minus 3 is a factor of the polynomial 2x cube minus 9x square plus x plus 12. Let's see, dear friend, this is the question here. Okay, according to question, we have to show that what 2x minus 3, we have to show that 2x minus 3 is a factor of what 2x cube minus 9x square plus x plus 12. Okay, now let's see its solution. Dear friends, first of all, let the given polynomial is p of x is equal to what? 2x cube minus 9x square plus x plus 12. Okay, dear friends, first of all, we take the given polynomial is what? Px is equal to 2x square 2x cube minus 9x square plus x plus 12. Now what I do, dear student, just I discuss about that. If we have to show that 2x minus 3 is a factor of the given polynomial, so we just replace x by 3 by 2, and after solving that, if the remainder is 0, then in that condition we can say that the given factor as 2x minus 3 is the factor of the given polynomial. Okay, so let's see its solution. Let's, dear students, since first of all we take 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, then we get as x is equal to 3 by 2. Thus the remainder will be, the remainder p of 3 by 2. We just replace x by what? X minus 3 by 2. Okay, we just replace x by 3 by 2, so we get 1/3. This is 2 into x cube means 3 by 2 whole cube. Okay, minus 9 into x square. X square means what? 3 by 2 square. Okay, plus x means what? 3 by 2 and plus 12. Okay, difference. Thus, first of all, we find p of 2, and now we just replace x by n 3 by 2 in the given polynomial. Now we solving them, so we get as p of 3 by 2 is equal to 2 into 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27, 2 2 is 4, 2 is 8. Okay. Now minus 9 into 3 3 is 9, 2 2 is 4 plus 3 by 2 and plus 12 is what? Let's see, to take 2 as LCM. So we get what? 3 plus 24. Now what I do? What did we get? P of 3 by 2 is equal to what? 2 4 is 8. This is 27 upon 4 minus 9 is 81 upon 4 plus 27 upon 2. Okay, dear students? This is 27 and this is 24 plus 3 what? 27. 27 upon 2. Now we take as 4 as LCM. So we get what? Let's see. We get as 4 as LCM. So we get this is 27 minus this is 81 plus this is 2. 2 is 4. 2 7 54. Now plus add 7 4 8 81 minus 81 upon 4. So 81 minus 12 is 0 is 0 upon 4. That is what? P of 3 by 2 is equal to what? 0. Okay, dear students. Thus in this way we have what? The remainder will be 0, and just by according to factor theorem, if the remainder will be 0, then in that condition the factor x 2x minus 3 is a factor of the given polynomial. Thus by factor theorem, thus by factor theorem, 2x minus 3 is a factor of the given polynomial. Hence proof. Okay, dear student. Thus, dear student, this is the concept of factor theorem. So, dear student, in this way, you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on factor theorem. Now we take one more question based on the factor theorem and its solution. Let's see. Now we take a very important question of your NCERT exercise, which is what? Let's see. The question is, find the value of k if x plus 3 is a factor of 3x cube plus 8kx, 3x cube plus kx plus 6. This is the question here. This is one of the most important question of your syllabus. Okay, so let's see its solution. Let's see. First of all, we take px. Let px be polynomial given as 3x cube plus kx plus 6. Okay. Up here, different here in that question, x plus 3 is already factor of the given polynomial. Okay. Now since x plus 3 is a factor of the polynomial p of x. Okay. So thus p of minus 3 must be equal to 0 now. By conversely of the factor theorem, if dear student x plus 3 is a factor of the polynomial px, then their remainder will be 0, and you know that how we take since x plus 3 is equal to 0, so the value of x is equal to minus 3. Okay, so we just replace x by minus 3 and that particular value must be equal to 0 according to factor theorem. Okay. Thus this is by factor theorem. This is by factor theorem. Okay. Now we just replace x by minus 3, so we get what? Let's see, 3 into this is minus 3 whole cube, this is plus k into minus 3 plus 6 is equal to 0. Now after solving them, just 3 into 3 is 9, 3 is 27, this is minus 27 minus 3k plus 6 is equal to 0. Minus 3k transfer that side, so we get what? 3k is equal to what? Here we take minus 3 as common, so we get 27 minus plus minus 3 to the 6. Okay, now 3 cancel to each other, so we get what? K is equal to minus 25. K is equal to what? No, 3x square plus kx na? Plus 6. No. Here is cube. Minus 27. Okay. This is minus k here na? Okay. Minus k here. Okay. ठीक. Okay, right, this one. Here, let's see. Here the value of this is 3 get transferred that side and minus 3 that is 3 gets common, so we get 27 minus plus minus 6. Sorry, 3 take is common, 3 to the 6. Now 3 is cancelled each other, so the value of k is equal to minus 27 minus 2, that is 25. This is our required solution of the given question. Okay. Thus, this is the process to solve that type of question. Okay. Now we take one more question based on the factor theorem. Let's see, dear friends. Let's see one more question, dear students. For what value of a, the question is for what value of a, for what value of a, okay, for what value of a is x minus 5 is x minus 5 a factor of is x minus 5 a factor of x cube minus 3x square plus ax minus 10. Okay, this is the question here. So let's see its solution, dear friends. Let's see. Dear friends, first of all, we let the given polynomial as px is equal to what? X cube minus 3x square plus ax minus 10. Okay, since x minus 5 is a factor of p of x, that is what? By factor theorem, p of 5 must be equal to 0. So we just replace x by 5. So 5 cube minus 3 into 5 square plus a into 5 minus 10 is equal to 0. So 5 5 is 25, 5 is 125 minus 3 into 5 5 is 25 plus 5 into 8, this is 5a minus 10 is equal to 0. Now dear friends, 125 minus this is 75 plus 5a minus 10 is equal to 0. Now what I get? This, let's say this is 125 minus 7 minus 75 minus 10, this is minus 85 is equal to, sorry, plus 5a is equal to 0. Now 125, 85 subtracted by them we get 0, this is 40. So 5a is equal to minus 40. So the value of a is minus 40 upon 5. 5 8 is 40. This is a is equal to minus 8. This is our required solution of the given question. Okay, thus dear student, in this way today's class we cleared the concept of remainder theorem as well as factors theorems. Now in next class we take and revise some other chapter of your NCERT exercise. Okay, now first of all dear student, you revise all the concept, all the topic related to factors theorem as well as remainders theorem and solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise. Okay dear student, now In next class, we discuss some other important topic chapter of your NCERT exercise based on next topic. Now we discuss next chapter of your NCERT exercise. Okay, now thanks to all.